Why do knives get dull? So what is it that actually happens to the knife to make it dull? So let's take a knife and look at a cross section. The cross section looks like this. If I was to cut this knife right here and look at it on end, it would look like this, roughly. So this is my beveled edge where I actually do my sharpening, and that bevel is way up here at the top. You can see it. I'll show it to you up close here in a second. So as I use the blade, I basically wear down this tip. That tip starts to look like this. Once the tip is rounded, it doesn't cut as well and takes more force to push it into whatever you're trying to cut. So that's basically what happens to a blade when it dulls. It also will round over a little bit on the tip. That's why a sharpening steel works, it straightens that back out. So basically it rounds and it bends a little. That's what makes it dull. Sharpening then reestablishes that edge.